how's it going? And it's a nice weather outside. Like, it just rained in a few while. It just rained a while ago. What? Go in that other video, I guess. Well, to be fair, if you want to see a nice weather outside, then you should just like and subscribe. Okay. Arham signing out.